next, ma'am, I will be assessing your cardiovascular system. So, before ta mag-start, ma'am, nasa ko ipangutan na questions about sa family history. So, na ba yung nagka-heart disease sa inyo? Okay. High cholesterol levels. High blood pressure. Stroke, ma'am. Obesity. Cardiac disease. Hypertension. Okay. Rheumatic fever. Okay. So, past history ni mo, ma'am, nagka-rheumatic fever ba ka? Okay. Heart murmur. Heart attack. Okay. Imong present symptoms, ma'am, naka-feel ba ka o mga chest pain? Okay. Fatigue. Nag-ubo, ma'am. Okay. Palpitations. Wheezing. Hypertension. Okay, thank you, ma'am. That's all. So, before tayo proceed, ma'am, ako sa i-explain sa imo ang procedure. Ma'am, I will explain to you the procedure that I will be doing to you. So, I will touching your body, specifically sa imong neck and chest. So, by that, ma'am, is that okay with you to touch it po?
Yeah, you go.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So first, I will position the patient in a supine position with the head of the bed elevated 30 to 45 degrees. So ma'am, we will proceed in your heart artery. So please hold your breath for a moment so that your beat sounds will not consume any vascular cells. So we will start in the left side. Okay. So ma'am, I did not hear any blowing, swishing, or other sounds with that. And with that, that is very simple and it's normal. So next, ma'am, I will go to inspect your left and right heart arteries. Okay, thank you. Okay, ma'am, so I observed that your pulses are equally strong. It is normal with no vibrations and strength from beat to beat. Contour is normal, smooth, and rapid on the upstroke and slower and less abrupt. On the downstroke, your arteries is elastic. In the second step, ma'am, that I will be doing is to inspect the neck, vertical, manifestations, observing pulsations. That I will be doing to you, ma'am, is to inspect the pericardium for control, full pulsation, and I will be using my fingers. So now I will observe your optical impulse at the 4th to 5th intercostal space. Okay, ma'am, I will now proceed in palpating your aortic area, pulmonary area, curved swine, Turkish, spade area, in your material area. So I observe, ma'am, there is no pulsation or vibration located in the areas of your aortic pulmonary herbs. For step of the assessment, I will be going to do a systematic auscultation and observe for the heart rate and with them. And I will be using my stethoscope. And let's start with the aortic area. Okay, next, the pulmonary area. And now we'll move on to point. And tricuspid area. Now in the mitral area. Okay, ma'am. So I have observed that your heart rate is 65 beats per minute. For the last part of the cardiovascular assessment, I will be going to identify the S1 and S2 through auscultation. Minik. Ano, S1? S1.